Hello dear children, all you are welcome in today's maths class. So students, today we are going to do worksheet 13 of unit 4. So let's start. Question number 1 is a piece of ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 5 meter long. So students, here the length of a ribbon is given 5 whole 3 by 5 meter long. So if it is cut into 14 equal pieces, okay, we will cut it in 14 equal pieces. So what is the length of each piece? We want to find here the length of each piece, and the length of ribbon given here, look here, the length of ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 5 meter, okay. And if we will divide this ribbon into 14 equal pieces in this way, and then we want to find the length of one piece, okay. So total length of ribbon given here, and we want to find the length of one ribbon. So let's do, first of all we will write length of ribbon. It is given 5 whole 3 by 5 meter, and the number of pieces is 14, okay. 14 equal pieces we have done. Now we will write here, we want to find the length of one piece, okay, length of each piece. So we will write here, and what we will do, we will divide the whole length is 5 whole 3 by 5 by the 14, okay. We will divide the whole length by 14 because we want to find the length of one piece. So what is the improper fraction? Improper fraction is 28 upon 5. Now we will write the sign of multiplication. So we have to do the reciprocal of 14. So the reciprocal of 14 is 1 upon 14. Now we will check here, is there any possibility that we have to cut here? We can cut here. So we can cut 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. Now multiply it, 2 into 1 and 5 into 1. So that is equal to 2 upon 5. So it means the length of each piece is 2 upon 5 meter. Okay, this is the answer. So students, now B part, next question is the product of two fraction is 9. If one of the fraction is 2 whole 1 by 7, okay, one fraction given 2 whole 1 by 7, find the other fraction. So we want to find the other fraction. So let's do, first of all we will write product of two fractions. So product of two fraction is 9 and one fraction is 2 whole 1 by 7. This is the one fraction. So now we want to find the other fraction. Okay, so how to find? Look here, we will write 9. We will divide the whole product by one fraction. So 9 divided by 2 whole 1 by 7. Now this is a mixed number. We will convert it in proper fraction. So 9 divided by 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. Now we will convert the divide sign into multiply. So we will multiply. When we will multiply, we have to do the reciprocal of 15 upon 7. So that is 7 upon 15. Okay. Now we will check here. We will write here 9. We can write here 1 under 9. Okay. 1 under 9. 9 upon 1. Now we will multiply 9 multiply 7 upon 1 multiply by 15. Now we can check here, is there anything common that cut numerator and also cut denominator? So yes, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now we will multiply it. 3 7s are 21 and 5 1s are 5. So we will convert it in a mixed number now. So we will write here 4 whole 1 by 5. Okay, so this is the other fraction. So students, now next question is, it takes 1 by 2 minutes to cook one dosa. Okay, so time taken to cook one dosa is 1 by 2 minutes. How many dosa can be cooked in 1 upon 4 hours? So we want to find that how many dosas cooked. So let's do. So firstly we will write time taken to cook one dosa. Okay, that is given here 1 by 2 minute. And total time given here 1 upon 4 hours. So we have to convert these hours firstly in minute. Okay, because the first statement is in minutes. So what we will do, we will multiply this 1 upon 4 by 60. Okay, then it will be converted in minute. So we can cut, okay, we can cut this 60 by 4. Okay, so 4 15s are 60 and 4 1s are 4. So it means total time is 15 minute. Now what we want to find? We want to find that how many dosas cooked in 1 by 4 hours. So we will write number of dosa cooked. Okay, now we will divide the total time by the time taken to 1 dosa, and that is 1 upon 2 minute. Now we will convert this division sign into multiplication. So we have to do the reciprocal of 1 upon 2, and the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. 15 2s are 30. Okay, 30 dosa. It means in 15 minutes we have to cook 30 dosas. Okay, in 1 upon 4 hours we cook 30 dosas. So students, now next question, D part is, Sheetal has one whole 3 by 4 kg of sweets. Okay, so how much sweets Sheetal has? One whole 3 by 4 kg. She distributes 1 upon 4 kg to each of her friend and finish all the sweets. So Sheetal distributed all the sweets to her friends and finished it. Okay, so she distributed, okay, 1 upon 4 kg to each friend and she finished. So to how many friends did she distributed the sweets? Okay, we want to find here that how many friends she distributed the sweets. So now let's do. First of all, we will write weight of sweets. So weight of sweets is 1 whole 3 by 4 kg. It is given. Okay, now we will convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4 kg. Each friend gets, how much part each friend gets? 1 by 4 kg. 1 by 4 kg we will write. Now number of friends we want to find. Okay, so how to find? So the weight of sweets given here. Firstly we will write it. So the weight of sweets is 7 upon 4 kg and each friend gets 1 by 4 kg. So we will divide 7 by 4 by each friend, 1 by 4. Now 7 upon 4 we will change the sign. So we have to do reciprocal. So 1 upon 4 reciprocal is 4 upon 1. We can cut 4 ones are 4. Okay. So firstly write down 7 into 4, 4 into 1. We can cut 4, 4, 4 ones are 4. So 7. We get 7. So it means number of friends is 7. Okay. 7 friends is the answer.
Actually,
So students, now
last
next
question,
question is,
a
a
pile of
of
class 5
class
mathematics
5 mathematics
books.
books
Okay.
has thickness of 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. So it means a bunch of a book and the thickness given here. Okay, 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. If each of book is 1 whole 1 by 5 centimeter thick, okay, so thickness of each book is given 1 whole 1 by 5 centimeter. Find how many books make up the pile. Okay, so we have to find that how many books make up that bunch. Pile means a bunch. Okay, so in this question we will do division, because total thickness given here 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter and thickness of each book is given, and we want to find that how many number of books. So we will write thickness of pile firstly, that is 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. We will convert it in a improper fraction. 5 14s are 70 plus 2 is 72 upon 5 centimeter. So this is the thickness of a pile. Now next is thickness of one book. It is given 1 whole 1 by 5. We will convert it in improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5 centimeter. Now we want to find the number of books. So what we will divide the thickness of pile 72 by 5 divided by, we will divide it by one book thickness. So that is 6 upon 5. Now 72 upon 5, we will change the sign, multiply. Now we have to do the reciprocal of 6 upon 5, that is 5 upon 6. Now write down 72 multiply 5 upon 5 into 6. Now we will cut 5 ones are 5, 5. Now we will cut 72 by 6, 6 ones are 6, and we will read the table of 6. So 6 12s are 72. Okay, so now 12 left here. So it means number of books is 12. So students, in this way we have done worksheet 13. Thank you.